So checking to see if the queens are accepted or out of their cages, actually not accepted yet, but we're a bit late. It was windy for 2 days, too windy to open the nukes. So hopefully the queens have been released. They should have been checked 2 days ago. I don't know if the wolf willow is still flowering. I'm not sure if it's still got nectar. I don't see the bees on it so much. We have 2 yards with quite a bit of wolf willows in them. So I'll just be pulling the cages out. Empty. This is a Pope Canyon queen. Some of these are Foster Buckfast. Doesn't have a green mark on it, and it's a different kind of cage.